that she shake it, I said that I like that, yeah. The way that she girl and mama so nigga, I said that I like that, yeah. She screaming out too young, done no famous, she said that I like that, yeah. Come back that I like that, yeah. Like
Yo,
that up, like
back out
that
here,
up,
another banger. I got a cruise, left some low-key shit. Out here though, it's hella early. Best Buy. We're not even at Best Buy, Dre. What the fuck?
It's right there.
Okay, we can't see Best Buy, but this is sponsored by Best Buy.
Y'all hear them rolling in.
Yeah, y'all hear everybody rolling in. It should be interesting though. Pretty excited. This is our first one, BC shit. We're gonna do more, just not like every week and shit, cause that we're not trying to spam it out. Scene's already kind of burnt out here in Atlanta, as some of y'all know. It's an all Beamer meet too. Y'all gonna peep a lot of that shit. Everybody's not in the Beamer, so please don't comment in the video and be like, oh, I seen a Z. I can't stop everybody from coming. But it should be dope. We gonna flood y'all with hella footage tonight. B-roll, random shit in the parking lot, highway pulls, races, etc. And we all gonna get like hella different angles of footage. This video is gonna be crazy. Mark my words. Comment if y'all want to see more of this type of shit. Point of view driving, you know what I'm saying, all that type of stuff. Point of view driving, cruises, because we need to know from y'all, because that's really what matters. We don't really know what to think about all the time. But comment below, make sure y'all subscribe, like, share the video, repost it on your story, Instagram, all that. And yeah, we're gonna bring y'all some more shit. We'll be back.
I know who that is.
Yeah, switch, flick, remix. Yeah, hop in the whip and I drift. Hop in that bitch and I dip. One wish, I'm rich. I'm blowing on gas, my nigga, I roll up a spliff. I got a bad bitch and she does on the dick. I got a bad bitch and her wig got it sick. We hop on the jet and we got a dip. I'm pouring up, go ahead take a sip. They won't leave me alone, they say I'm the shit. These niggas they clones, they copy the kid. Damn little mama, she don't get no older. Mixing up that shit, yeah she mix it with that soda. Pop up in that pit, yeah I'm spinning, doing donuts. Niggas gon' copy my swag, that's why I'm posting. Love that chief keep, she go bang bang when them doors go up. She riding for a nigga, hell yeah, that's my soldier. Getting a brand no toaster, just give me the cat, no doja. Yeah, I'm bringing a pack to Georgia. Niggas they watch like Law and Order. Pack smell, yeah, it got that odor. Switch, blick, remix. Yeah, hop in the whip and I drift. Hop in that bitch and I dip. One wish, I'm rich. I'm blowing on gas, my nigga, I roll up a spliff. I got a bad bitch and she does on the dick. I got a bad bitch and her wig getting sick. We hop on the jet and we got a dip. I'm pouring up, go ahead take a sip. They won't leave me alone, they say I'm the shit. These niggas they clones, they copy the kid.
Something light right now, but we're here for another 30-40 minutes. We're gonna see what the turnout look like.
What's up, bro?
What's going on, G?
Good.
Yeah, you straight?
Yeah.
I hear how y'all be pulling up. Just want y'all to see. It's like F30 90 row. This shit is clean. I don't know who you are. Shit's fire. The F30 though. I like the lips without the middle part. That's fire. But wait. This is super fire. We outside, y'all see us. We here for 15 more minutes, so y'all goddamn pull up. don't want to miss it. I promise. What is this without a hood? What the fuck? An E90 without a hood? Not even waiting for Brad. Yeah. Y'all pulling up crazy. Y'all pulling up crazy. And the Miata. Come on, man. So this is the final look. Definitely appreciate everybody coming out. It's definitely time to get going. Y'all see this? We got cars all the way back there. I know the lights is fucking up the lens, but it's a lot of damn cars. So we just got everybody lined up right now. I didn't even realize they couldn't line up to pull out of the parking lot, so we're gonna have to start pulling out right now. Just make sure everybody's in their shit, everybody ready. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Y'all see that? Yeah, I ain't never seen so many Beamers in one place, which is crazy. All right, we about to start rolling out. All right, so y'all see we just pulled out. I got a ton of Beamers behind me right now. Y'all would never believe. Look at that. Can you see in the mirror? It's at least 40 BMWs behind me. We about to get into some crazy shit. 70-mile-an-hour cruise. We hitting a couple different spots. It's gonna be a good time. Let me see what map. I'm gonna try and run a JB5 and map 5. Like I said, we only doing 70, so I don't expect to get too butt naked nasty.
2 seconds later.
Loving the way that she shake it, I said that I like that, yeah. The way that she girl and mama some nigga, I said that I like that, yeah. Just giving up to a young gun, no favor, she said that I like that, yeah. Come back that I like that, yeah. Like that up, 2 a.m. finna park that up. Two-tone in the right, yeah. Put the kitty in the face, man. Run it up, I'ma run the first place, yeah, yeah. She's so bad, wanna wipe that up, yeah, yeah. Hop off the jet, give me your friend, baby go right to the end. Hop off the jet, that, she know that's a favorite. When I step up on the car scene, niggas done winning just like a championship. Give a hard D, put it all in this clean, little mama begging for it. Boy, you ain't high as me. Don't keep the Calabasas, I won't leave.
Whatever that is. Oh, it's a 1 series. Oh, it's a single turbo. I hope y'all can hear that. Y'all see we made it back. We actually got a big group too. It was a super success. I don't know what the footage looks or sound like, but I know we got a couple different angles. Let me see. And what y'all boys talking about?
What's the next move?
Yeah,
Fellini's. Fellini's, bro. I heard some crazy cars though.
What the cops say?
He was just saying that there's a neighborhood over there and they be tripping. I know he get in trouble for that shit.
You can hold the camera down.
It was it's a neighborhood over there, and he said they be calling. But yeah, from here we could just go to Fellini Town Mill. How was that? I don't promote drinking and driving, but after a good cruise, you gotta top it off with a brew. We got everybody got dang coastered up. Vibe.
We're twins.
Hater.
We're twins.
This nigga got a twisted tea because he want to beat a nigga.
Cam said the same shit. What the fuck?
Aggressive.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, you never seen that video?
No.